Silicon Valley of India in true 4K. From a quiet garden city to the beating heart of India's digital revolution, this is the story of Bengaluru. Once known for its pleasant weather and lakes, Bengaluru's transformation began in the late 20th century when government-backed public sector companies and institutions like ISRO and HAL laid the foundation for innovation. But the real turning point came in the 1990s. As India opened its economy, global tech giants started looking east, and Bengaluru stood ready. With a highly skilled English-speaking, affordable workforce, top engineering colleges, and a culture of innovation, the city quickly became the preferred destination for IT services and software development. Today, Bengaluru is not just India's tech capital, it's one of the top global tech hubs. With over 1 million tech professionals, it is the largest tech talent pool in the Asia-Pacific region. In fact, the city has over 2 million software developers and produces nearly 90,000 engineers every year. More than 400 global companies, including Apple, Microsoft, and Google, have major R&D centers here. And Bengaluru contributes to over 1/3 of India's IT exports, with exports touching nearly $64 billion. But here's what makes it truly remarkable. In terms of workforce scale, Bengaluru rivals, and in many ways surpasses, the legendary Silicon Valley. While Silicon Valley leads in venture capital and innovation history, Bengaluru's strength lies in its massive talent pool and cost efficiency. This scale is what drives the city's dominance. From massive campuses in Electronic City, to global tech parks in Whitefield, to innovation hubs in Outer Ring Road, Bengaluru is a city where ideas turn into billion-dollar companies. Bengaluru is also India's startup capital, home to thousands of startups and a large share of the country's unicorns. And today, Bengaluru stands tall among the world's top 6 technology powerhouses, alongside cities like San Francisco, New York, and London. This is not just a city, it's an ecosystem. A place where code is written, dreams are built, and the future is engineered. Bengaluru isn't just keeping up with the world, it's helping shape it.